So Anna and the kids are sleeping in on this wintry mix of a March morning, and I'm heading out to meet up with Dave from Moods of Overland. I'm gonna take a ride through the Northern Pines, just to enjoy the day, make the best of this rainy, wet, cold day, and hope you'll tag along with us. It wasn't supposed to rain nearly this much, but here we are. We're meeting up at Oswego Lake, which I thought was just a good spot to meet up north of the normal meetup spots. As per usual, when I'm by myself, I'm a little early. I wanted to get to the lake in the quiet before anybody else showed up and just hang out for a few minutes and soak in the quiet for a bit. And then Dave will be joining me around 9 o'clock or so. I think the rain will let up a little bit, but it's going to keep on raining until about noon. Just like I hoped. Nobody here. This is something I've tried to get in the habit of. If you're out on the trails, make sure to bring some trash bags and gloves. Take out anything you bring in, but try and deal with the reality that others don't. Remember those tread lightly principles. Why? Now, Dave and I met back at the 2022 Mainline Overland Festival, and we've been watching each other's content for some time, but it was good to get together for a ride. Being more familiar with the Northern Pines, Dave took the lead. My first time down here was before I had the winch and the lift, and I remember the family and I getting out every single puddle just to check and make sure we weren't going to get stuck ahead of time.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea. I mean, this is sort of more like a main trail, but yeah, particularly once you don't know, I mean, that stuff can get filled up. I forgot my long walking stick that I sometimes use for that.
Come on, part of the fun is finding a new one each trip.
That's why I always keep some of those wader boots in the back.
Which I forgot this time. I don't think you're backing out of that. Almost there.
Let me see if I can do it here or whether I got a winch. They're coming up the hill, but otherwise not too bad.
I'm thinking this other side looks a little more solid.
Alright, let's see how it goes.
Roads. Where we're going, we don't need any roads. just for the fun of it, we're gonna wrap up the day taking a short bit of the Trans-New Jersey Trail right around where there's one of the many water crossings. Figure it's a decent opportunity to clean off some of the mud. And then probably drive a bit of the trail to take me back down south to home and wrap up our day. They do tend to do that. Oh, crud. It was at this point that I realized that the iPhone that I attached to the side of the truck was no longer attached. Well, that's not good. I lost the phone. I really wasn't worried about the phone itself. It's a few model years old and only used for recording on the trail. But I did want the footage. So Dave started looking for those wader boots that we were talking about earlier in the day. I'm not trying to make a fashion statement here, but it's just that they're terribly comfortable. I think everyone will be wearing them in the future. Overall, the phone was in the water for about 10.5 minutes, recording the whole time. You could even make out the passing clouds as the water cleared up. Well, that was fun. Oh yeah, it's still rolling too. It's clean. Well, it's a little chilly, but it'll dry. Onward.
was a good time.
Absolutely, we've had a blast. We'll have to do it again. Not wait a year to do it. Well, that was a fun time. Really glad we were able to get together. I think we're definitely gonna have to go out now that I know that Dave is so close. Us East Coasters need to band together sometimes. Maybe next time I won't have to go into the drink though. But if you've made it this far in our video, I really appreciate you tagging along. Make sure to subscribe to see where we go next. I know we've got a pretty big trip planned for spring break. Though in reality, I don't know if this video is going to make out before spring break, so we'll see how that goes. But on that, see you next time. We'll see you out there.